Hi guys and welcome. Today in this video I want to share with you something really interesting. If you are about crypto, if you are in crypto, if you are about investments, if you want to invest in profitable businesses, and if you want to invest not only in the crypto but using crypto to invest in physical businesses that have a great and fantastic and really powerful and reliable background, this video is definitely for you. I want to share with you today the platform that's called PapayaHub, and this hub is really interesting. Why? We're going to be discussing in this video. As usual, I want to say that all the useful links you can find in the description panel of this video. And meanwhile, we're going to start. So what does PapayaHub is? Is the platform where you can start investing in a really interesting niche. The PapayaHub is a platform for investing in Europe's largest network of webcam studios. So I think that if you grown up, you don't need to I don't need to say to you what is the webcam. Webcam industry grows every year by 15 to 20%, gets more than 630 million viewers worldwide, and brings investors 98 million net profit per day. This is some fantastic numbers. And what is PapayaHub in general? This is a platform where you can buy a part using your crypto. You can invest and you can buy a part of, let's say, a share of one of 89 webcam studios, where there are 1,602 professional models that broadcasting like all day long, let's say like that. Models communicate with viewers via online video chat. They fulfill the wishes of their fans and cheer up their mood with smiles. That's how the webcam works. For this, viewers donate from $10,000 to $100,000 to models. This activity is profitable, legal, and respected all over the world. Models become real stars with lots of fans on Instagram. By investing in PapayaHub, you get a percentage of the income of the models. So this is really something unusual, because in general there's speculative issue inside of any kind of a token. This project doesn't have token, but it has quite beautiful ambassadors. Look at that. You can find out more information about ambassadors. We're not going to stop on it. We will discuss how you can earn using this platform for investment. There's affiliate program, of course. Invite a friend and get 7% of his deposit. We pay for each invited user who invested from $50. The referral reward is unlimited. So the more friends, the more you can get. You can find all the useful links, of course, under this video in the description panel. You can jump to YouTube, you can jump to Twitter, you can jump to Telegram of this PapayaHub platform, and there's a lot of information about us. But let's jump. We're not going to read all this, but we need to jump inside of the platform to show you how can you participate in this tool. But the interesting thing is that you can earn. So every day, PapayaHub says pays dividends every day, guys. Okay, it's a platform for investing in Europe's largest network of webcam studios. Every day, PapayaHub pays dividends at least 0.5% of the invested amount to each investor. This is something like crazy numbers, and if you understand what I mean, this is really not bad income. So it's profitable, it's reliable. it's saved. There's the company documents and so on. But I wanna let you in. First of all, you need to sign up here via the link in the description panel of this video. Just press that link and you need to sign up. Or if you already have an account, probably you're not, so you need to sign up. And after you sign up, you'll be inside of the platform. That's what I want to show you. What you will see inside, I've just created the new account here. I didn't invest it yet, so you can see that there's like 0 here. This is a dashboard. There's active deposits. You can open a deposit. There's a referral link for your friends, and you need to go to invest and choose a plan, because there are 4 types of a plan. 0.5% per day throughout the year. Per day throughout the year. So payouts every day, $50 to $1,000. The amount of investment, $50 to $1,000. There's 1% per day throughout the year. Amount you need to put first is $1,000 to $5,000. 2% of income starts from $5,000 to $10,000, and 3% per day throughout the year, $10,000 to $100,000 deposit. And this deposit can be in Bitcoin, ETH, Ethereum, ETH, Ethereum Classic, USDT, Litecoin, BNB, Doge, and USDT, ERC20 and TRC20. Choose whatever you want. And you can put the deposit amount. You can choose, for example, USDT. For example, 1,000. I want 1,000. So the maximum deposit is like that. Balance at the end of the period. That means the year you invest 1,000. So in the end of the period, you'll get 4,650 USDT, and you can withdraw it every day. There's no limit. Everything you can find here on the withdrawal. So the minimum withdrawal amount is like so small, and the minimum withdrawal is $10 US. But you can invest not only from your balance. So you can put it to your balance first, and you can pay from the payment system. So you can reinvest your money from your money that you get already. There are a lot of settings, there are a lot of information, so make sure to check it out, because this is interesting project, a really interesting project. Don't forget to make your own research before you do any actions in crypto, using your own money. Do not invest more money than you can afford to lose, of course, as usual. And guys, make sure to check out all the links in the description panel of this video. Thank y'all. Take care. See you in the next video, and bye-bye.